So people are saying, what's the story of my fight career? The story is, I am a high profile fighter now. Okay, that's simple as. I've been offered £10,000 to fight on the BYB and join up with Jimmy Justice. That is where my level's at. And I still think that's not enough money. Come on with me. The update is I have been working out. Am I strong, Dominic?
Yeah, powerful.
I'm a big time star. If you want to fight me, you give me 20 grand. Not 20 grand to fight. You give me 20 grand and then I'll fight you. Okay? And get one. That's for the BKFC poster.